This is KQ2 News at 10.
St. Joseph sees some rain tonight, but it paled in comparison to what others in the region saw today. Good evening, I'm Alan Van Zandt. Cherish Enderley is in the Weather Center with our first look at our forecast. Cherish.
Thank you, Alan. That's right. We certainly did have more than our fair share of intense weather. Throughout the region today, we had rain, wind, and hail. Thankfully, though, things have calmed down. Currently, St. Joseph's at a nice, cool, calm 70 degrees, dew point 65, 84% humidity. Everybody wants to know, what does that mean for tomorrow's Father's Day? We'll let you know with your forecast. Alan?
All right.
Joseph, currently things have finally calmed down. We're at a nice 70 degrees, and it's about time after the day we had today. Let's take a look at our neighboring areas. As you can see, we've got Kansas City 68, Chillicothe 68. Over to the west, they're a little bit warmer in the 70s, but we all saw some remnants of the storm system that made its way through our area. Satellite radar gives you a better look at what happened today. You can see that those storm systems covered pretty much the entire state of Missouri and parts of Kansas as well. As we move in even closer, you can see that that storm system really moved in a circular pattern, and that's why we had a lot of rains pop up throughout different parts of the area at different times of the day. So while it may have moved its way out of our area for right now, there's going to be more storms heading in overnight, and they're going to rain, throughout the night and up until tomorrow around 1 p.m. So let's take an even closer look. You can see right here a lot of cloud coverage, varying amounts of rain. We had some light rain, but we also had some really heavy torrential rains in some areas. So Futurecast shows that's going to continue on throughout this evening. We're going to see rain overnight as we sleep. When we wake up in the morning, we're going to see a little bit more, but by Tuesday, we're going to have clear skies and a nice pleasant day on Tuesday. So the good news is that most of that rain is going to be in this evening while most of us are hopefully sleeping. 67-degree temperature, south winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour, but there is a 60% chance of thunderstorms returning to our area overnight. When you wake up tomorrow, there's a chance you're going to see some more of that rain. The good news is that we're expecting things to clear up by about 1 p.m. So if Dad wants to go out and grill or go fishing like my husband's counting on doing, he's got a pretty good chance of doing that later on in the afternoon. Hopefully the skies will stay clear through the evening as well, because that rain chance is going to return again on Monday. So that's good that we have a little bit of rain, but it's not good in terms of flooding dangers, because it gives us the potential to see some pretty strong flash flooding if we have any more rain systems like what we saw today. But Tuesday we got another chance of rain. Then things are really going to clear up, and we'll have some nice pleasant weather, with just partly cloudy skies throughout the rest of the week. And as for the weekend, next weekend is going to be pretty nice as well. Things are going to warm up to a 90-degree day on Saturday, so that's nice.
Some of those clouds were pretty dark as they were coming in this afternoon. Those in St. Joe, we really didn't have much rain at all. Yeah,
we really didn't today, but we did see those dark clouds. And I know in Kansas City, people trying to go to Kenny Chesney were rained out. So
they did delay that. They did eventually have a concert, from what I understand. Or it's probably going on right now.
That's true. That's true. They're out there jamming out in the rain.
No fear for those country fans. Thanks, Cherish. All right. Well, after a pretty busy weather day today, a little quieter tonight, and hopefully tomorrow as well.
That's right. It's going to be a little bit rainy tomorrow up until 1 p.m., but after that, we can go outside and enjoy the day.
All right. And Matt, they had been dealing with a lot of rain at the U.S. Open as well, but it's kind of let up and still hard to play there.
It's never easy, but hopefully it makes it a little bit easier on that last day if the weather can kind of clear up.
What would we score if we played that course as tough as it is? 120,
triple what they are.
120, 130, 140.
I'm awful, yeah. It's
ugly. But tomorrow's a good last day for it. And no Tiger.
No Tiger. He was slipping the 31st, type of 31st.
Yeah, maybe Phil, though. All right. Well, thanks for joining us tonight. Hopefully you have a good night, and happy Father's Day tomorrow. We'll see you at 10 p.m.